Periodicity and extreme values. Four more problems. The first problem is the period of the function tan 3x plus 5. So what is the period of this function? So we know tan kx plus some constant is pi by mod k. So pi by k value is 3 here. So pi by 3. Next, the second one is period of the function sine x plus 8x plus 27x plus and so on plus n cube x. So if you take x common, 1 cube plus 8 you can write 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube into x. So this is a sine sum of cubes of first n natural numbers is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 into x. So sin kx is period is 2 pi by mod k. So 2 pi by k is here n square into n plus 1 whole square whole by 4. So 2 into 4 is 8 pi by n square into n plus 1 whole square. Next, the period of the function cos cube x. Already we have given period of cos power n x is period is 2 pi if n is odd function. If n is an even function, only pi. So here n value 3. So it is 2 pi period. Next, the second one is cos power 4x. So here n is the power is even. So period is only pi. Next, the period of cos 3x by 5 minus sin 2x by 7. So period of first one is cos kx 3x by 5 equals to 2 pi by k 3 by 5. So this is 10 pi by 3. Next, similarly, period of second one sin 2x by 7 is sin 2 pi by k. So 14 pi by 2, that is 7 pi. So you have to take the period of the two functions f1 plus f2 or f1 minus f2 is their LCM. What is LCM of 10 pi by 3 and 7 pi? 10 pi by 3 and 7 pi. What is the LCM? So you have to take the LCM of numerator and highest common factor of the denominator. So it is equal to 10 comma 7. LCM is 75 and the denominator highest common factor is 1. So answer is 75. So this is the period of the cos 3x by 5 minus sin 2x by 7. Next one, period of sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. So sin power 4x plus cos power 4x equals to, you can write this one as 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. And you can write this one as 1 minus 1 by 2 into sin 2x whole square. So sin square 2x. And 1 minus 1 by 2 into sin square 2x, we can write again 1 minus cos 4x by 2. So period of cos 4x is 2 pi by 4. It is equals to pi by 2. Or you can do this one in another method by the definition of pi by 2 plus x. From least you have to verify. So f of pi by 2 plus x is sin power 4 pi by 2 plus x plus cos power 4 of pi by 2 plus x. That is sin 90 plus x is cos x, cos power 4x. Cos 90 plus x is minus sin x, but power is same, even. So same u function will get. So the period is at least value pi by 2. Or already we have given the formula sin power n x plus cos power n x. If n is given on pi by 2 is the period of the function. Next, the period of the function mod sin x plus cos x. So mod sin x plus cos x, you can write root of sin x plus cos x whole square. So root of sin x plus cos x whole square is sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. So it is equals to root of sin square x plus cos square x is 1 plus 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Now period of sin 2x is 2 pi by k. K is 2, that is answer 5. Or you can verify with 5 plus x, so you get the same. So answer is 5. Next, 8-1. Given function is cot of x by 4 plus tan of x by 4 by 1 plus tan x by 2 minus tan x. So you have to take the period of the function, means you have to take the LCM of individual periods. So LCM of cot x by 4 is 5 by x. Coefficient is 1 by 4. LCM. Next the same 5 by 1 by 4. Next the tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is 5 by 1 by 2. And the tan x is 5. So you have to take the LCM of all these. So it is equals to 4 pi, 4 pi, 2 pi, and pi. So LCM is 4 pi. So period of the given function is 4 pi. Next 9-1. Write the cosine function having period 2 by 5. So 2 pi by equals to 2 pi by mod k. So 2 pi by mod k equals to 2 by 5 implies mod k equals to 2 will cancel 5 pi. 5 into 5. So k equals to mod k equals to 5 pi means k equals to plus or minus 5 pi. So cos function means plus or minus cos plus or minus kx is plus or minus 5 pi x. So this is equals to plus or minus cos plus minus cos plus x minus x both are same. So cos 5 pi x. Yeah, not only this one, you can take any constant k also outside. Any multiple of cos you can take it. Next 10th one. Then you have to write the tan function of period 2. Tan function period is 5 by mod k. So 5 by mod k period is 2. So k equals to 10 plus or minus 5 by 2. You have to write the tan function. So tan function means plus or minus. Here also you can take any multiple of k into kx. Kx is plus or minus 5 by 2 into x. Plus or minus, even if you take outside, you will get the same function. Plus or minus tan of 5 by 2 x. So plus or minus tan pi by 2 x is the answer. Next, the maximum and minimum values. So given function is 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. We have to find the minimum value. So minimum equals to c minus root over a square plus b square. So c is 5 minus root a square plus b square is 7 square plus 24 square. So 5 minus this is 25. So answer is minus 20. So minimum is minus 20. Next, fourth one, 3 sin square x plus 4 cos square x. We have to find the minimum value. Can do this one so many methods. One is you can write 3 into sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 plus 4 into cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 4 by 2 7 by 2 plus 4 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is plus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Now here we have to find the minimum value. So minimum equals to 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cos 2x minimum value minus 1. So 7 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 6 by 2 equals to 3. Or you can write 3 sin square x plus 4 cos square x. You can write 3 cos square x plus cos square x. So this is 3 into sin square x plus cos square x is 1. 3 plus cos square x. But we already discussed that is cos square x lies between 0 to 1. So minimum means, so you have to take the minimum of cos square x, that is 0. So answer is 3. Next, last one, 13th one. Given my function is cos x plus root 3 sin x minus 2. We have to find the maximum value at what value we will get it. So here you have to write this one 2 into 1 by 2 cos x plus root 3 by 2 sin x minus 2 sin. So 2 into 1 by 2 you can write sin 30 cos x plus root 3 by 2 sin x. Root 3 by 2 you can write cos 30 sin x minus 2. So 2 into sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is sin a plus b. So sin pi by 3 plus x minus 2. Now we have to write the maximum. Maximum means sin value maximum. Maximum at the sin pi by 3 plus x equals to 1. So maximum at means 90. So x value already we have 30. Sorry, this one is pi by 6. And this is also cos pi by 6. So this is pi by 6. So this is pi by 6. So to get 90, you have to take x value as 60. That value at x equal to 60, this is sin pi plus 30 plus 60 is 90. So sin 90 value 1. So at sin 90 value 1, we get the maximum value, that is answer 0.